Alright, what do you think? Happy to be out? I'd imagine. Oh, nothing to say. You can make news today. Here, take this.
Now we getting out. We don't stop moving forward.
So, nothing to say, local news, happy to be out.
I don't really talk too much, you feel me? I'm ready to get up out of here.
Slide. Alright guys.
Only on Local 10, South Florida rapper Kodak Black released from jail early this morning.
And only our cameras were there as he walked out of jail with a new name and a GED.
Local 10 News reporter Madeline Wright has the exclusive from Fort Lauderdale. Madeline.
Nikki and Todd, this man is a rapper with a long rap sheet. Kodak Black most recently ended up here in jail after he was arrested and charged with child neglect. In the past, he's also been charged with battery and robbery. With all of these arrests, it's unclear what kind of effect it'll have on his musical career and his record label. Exclusive video from Local 10 shows Kodak Black leaving the main jail in Broward County Saturday morning after he spent 7 months behind bars. One man running up to give him a hug. The 21-year-old rapper was arrested in January after an incident at his Pembroke Pines home. Police say 3 men were in Kodak Black's bathroom on social media, broadcasting drug use, showing off weapons around a child.
An individual not only rolling a marijuana cigarette, but blowing it right there in front of the child's face.
Kodak Black was charged with child neglect, grand theft of a firearm, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and marijuana possession. Here's what his lawyer told us at the time.
This is, of course, a setback.
Some of the charges were dropped, but Kodak Black remained in jail for violating probation. He was scheduled to be released in October, but his release date was moved up to August.
I'm ready to get up out of here.
Even though he's out of jail, his legal troubles aren't over just yet. He has a pending sexual conduct case out of South Carolina. He also has a lengthy rap sheet. Kodak was arrested twice in 2016 in Broward County. He was also arrested in 2015 in Pompano Beach on charges of robbery and false imprisonment. Kodak Black made some major changes while he was in jail. He legally changed his name to Bill K. Kapri. He says that his first stop now that he's a free man is to go to his mother's house so he can see his son.
A popular South Florida musician managing to beat the rap in a Fort Lauderdale courtroom today. 19-year-old Dyson Octave, better known as Kodak Black, was found guilty of violating his house arrest.
And he was supposed to be sentenced today, but the judge decided to cut him a break. Local 10's Todd Tongan live outside the Broward County Courthouse to explain this one. Todd.
Victor and Janine, what a huge day in court for Kodak Black. Judge Michael Lynch literally held his life and his young budding career in his hands. If he had gotten a long prison sentence, which the state wanted, it very well could have been a career killer. And it is a career that is fast and furious on the rise.
You're running out of second chances, but I'm going to give you one more chance.
A sigh of relief from Dyson Octave, better known as rapper Kodak Black. Judge Lynch essentially giving him time served after he completes a life skills course, meaning the 19-year-old could be out of jail in a month.
We know that we won't let him down this time because Dyson Octave, not Kodak Black, means so much more to us than him being a celebrity.
The state wanted prison time for multiple violations of his community control agreement, but the defense continued to remind the judge of his age and special circumstances.
His extraordinary creativity and almost overnight success could lead us all to forget that he is still a teenager, facing temptations that most adults would find difficult to manage.
Even Kodak Black himself took the stand.
I understand what's going on right now. It is a big reality check for me. It's not what I wanted, but it's what I needed.
And he asked for mercy from the court.
If you can find it in the kindness of your heart, Your Honor, I'm asking you to give me a chance to prove my worth to the court, to be the person my community expects me to be.
And the fact that all his fans came out and they're putting all these hashtags on it, I think that's like icing on the cake to him. He understands the support. He knows that he doesn't want to let anybody down.
And if you don't know who Kodak Black is, you are likely not a hip-hop fan or a millennial. This is so important to his record label, they are going to hire a full-time handler to stay with him every step of the way.